Hello Chelsea, my name is Benito Anaya Jr. I'm here to present you the support elements for Blueberry Cosmetics. So here is the logo design / color choices, and I'm here to show you the logos and the colors I have chosen and what they will look like. So here we have the text and the circle blue and the inside is white. Now I prefer it like this because it looks very elegant and neat and well organized. And here's the second one, same color scheme, but they are just inverse. So the background's blue and the white is the text is in the white. Now for the second one, I like to show you this is a purple. So this one looks very neat, and the white, like as shown in the blue one, it has a white background and the inside is white, and what creates it is the purple strokes, and the outside of the circle, so you can actually see better, it has purple stroke as well. Now for the second one, it is like inverse like the blue one, where the whole circle is purple and the white is showing the text, so you could recognize it. So these are two colors that I used. There's other colors you may use, but I prefer these two because those stood out to me the most. Okay, so for the next one is primary colors. Okay, for the primary colors, I chose a bright yellow, and the next color is like a kind of like a darkish blue. The third color I chose is purple, and the fourth is baby blue. And for here you can see the middle is the original colors, and it just to the left it's dark, it becomes darker to a color, and the right it becomes lighter. So here is the middle is the like yellow, the original. If you go darker, it turns into like a yellowish brown, and the darkest is like a dark brown. And if you go to the right, it becomes a little bit brighter yellow, and the last one on the right is a even more brighter yellow. So as you can see how this works, you could see on the blues, the purples, and the baby blues, I believe. So here's the blue. On the left, it's a darker in blue, and then on the left on the end is a even more dark blue. On the right, it becomes a little bit lighter blue, and then the last one becomes even a baby blue. Now for the purples, you can't really see that much of a difference because purple is a dark color. However, I added the purple in the middle, and on the left, between the second to the last on the left is a little bit darker purple, and on the left is a super dark purple. On the right, it becomes a little bit lighter purple, and then the right one looks even lighter purple. Now for this one, I forgot what it's called, but I think it's a lighter blue. Okay, I see it's a mix between blue and green. So the blue and green colors in the middle. Now it becomes on the left between a little bit darker blue and green color and even more darker on the left. On the right, it transparents into a brighter to even more bright to the point where it looks like the opacity is lowered down. Now for the typography, I chose there's two that I chose: the snail round hand font and the noteworthy font. Now for the snail round hand, as on the logo, that's the font I used to create it. So as you can see, if you scroll down, here are the uppercase letters. and the lowercase letters on the bottom. And these are the extra symbols, what they will look like. Now here's the same thing, but they are in the noteworthy font. And I also added the capital A and B to show you what it would look like in a more larger scale. Now the next one is pattern, I believe. Yeah, pattern. Okay. So for pattern, I thought I go for simplicity a lot. So I created a flower, blueberries, and another odd flower. But I decided to make sure the flowers and the petals are on the outside, and the main things I want to attract is the flowers and the blueberries as a sign of nature and, well, blueberry free company. How you can recognize it. And the extra little flowers, those are just to add it look more neat. Now for the icon designs, the one I chose, are all natural free icons, which means all their ingredients are they don't affect your skin at all, and they work as an average makeup. Now for the next one is bunny proof. Bunny proof is basically where they don't test on animals. They are animal cruelty free, and because since blueberry and everyone, we love animals, so we did not to test on animals. Now for the third one is no mineral, which means no minerals are added in the makeup, so you shouldn't have to worry about it. That way you don't have to worry about getting an allergic reaction. So these are all my examples that I showed you that I created. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for listening.